Hi guys, in this video I will tell you what you should do when you see the AdBlue warning light on the Dacia Duster dashboard. Usually this AdBlue warning light appears on the dashboard alongside with other two warning lights, the check engine light and the service light, that small key wrench, and also the check anti-pollution system message appears on dashboard display. First, this AdBlue warning light comes on before the AdBlue liquid tank is empty, so at the first warning where the indicator light is yellow, you only have to refill with AdBlue additive. After you have filled the tank with AdBlue, the indicator light should go off. If you do not fill the tank in time, the indicator light will turn red and you will not be able to start the engine after you stop the car. The AdBlue system is made in such a way that you can no longer drive the car if it is not supplied with AdBlue additive. You should know that when your AdBlue warning light comes on, you still have about 2 or 3 liters of additive in the tank with which you will be able to travel, according to Dacia, 2,400 kilometers until the system will no longer allow the engine to start. If the warning light does not go off even after you have added AdBlue additive, then you will have to visit a Dacia dealer for an AdBlue software update. If you know other solutions in this case, please write them below in the comment section. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe or send me a super thanks. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.